Okay, so your KS2000RW panel will have 6 valleys across its width. As I explained earlier, you need to locate the suction pads so they're in the first and third valley from each side. So basically, you're in these locations across the width of the panel on both sides of the panel. Okay, that gives the maximum support to the panel width. And clearly, the other thing to think about is the positioning of the machine. If you position the Clad Boy itself, the actual machine, in the midpoint of the panel length, when you lift it, the panel will lift balanced and horizontal. Now, if you have a pitched roof situation with this chain suspension set we've got here, you can't induce a pitch by offsetting the machine position. You have to induce a pitch by actually adjusting the chain lengths. And we'll just quickly show you that now.